Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write text into a shape in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to write text into shape. Go to the Insert menu, then click the Shapes drop down menu. Now I select any shape. Now I select the heart shape. Then draw this shape. Then click right button on our mouse and click the Add Text option. Then write any text on this heart shape. Now we can see we write text to this heart shape very easily. You can change the text height, weight or color. Now go to the home menu, then increase the size. You can change the color. Click the font color option. You can change any color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.